In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in DuckDuckGo. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a moment. Dark mode can also help reduce screen glare and make text feel more comfortable to read, whether you're on a desktop browser or using a mobile device. Start by opening any DuckDuckGo page, like the home page or a search results page. Look for the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. It's the three horizontal lines, usually found at the top right corner of the page. On some layouts, it may appear at the top left, and on mobile it can be tucked into the same spot. Tap or click that icon to open the main menu. From the menu, choose Settings. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the menu. It's typically labeled clearly as Settings and may be grouped with other preferences. Once you're in Settings, locate the section labeled Appearance or Theme. Different versions might use either name, but they point to the same place where you control how DuckDuckGo looks. Open that section to view your theme options. Under Theme, select Dark. This switches the interface to a darker color palette, affecting backgrounds, text, and various UI elements. You might also see other options like Light or Automatic. But for this setup, just choose Dark, so the change is applied consistently. If you're prompted with a Save and Exit button, click it to confirm your choice. Some versions apply changes automatically, but if you see Save and Exit, make sure to use it so your preference is stored. After that, your DuckDuckGo experience should immediately switch to dark mode. To quickly recap, open the menu with the three horizontal lines, go into Settings, find the Appearance or Theme section, choose Dark under Theme, and save and exit if you're asked to. That's all you need. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. The theme setting is saved in your current browser, so if you switch devices or browsers, you may need to repeat these steps there as well. If the change doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page. And if your theme ever resets after clearing site data, simply follow these same steps to turn dark mode back on. That's it. Your DuckDuckGo search experience should now be easier on the eyes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in dark mode.